What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be giving a quick visual of how to create a catch-all. So you're going to want to go to namecheap.com, create an account, and then go to the page that I'm at right now. For this video, I'm just going to be using westnotifyxyz.com. Doesn't really matter what you pick, but as you can see in our guide, you're definitely going to want to use .com. It's a bit more expensive, but in the end, it's only about $6 or $7 more, and it'll work way better. So you're going to add that to cart, and then we're going to check that out. I'm going to skip through the checkout process now. By the way, if you just look up Namecheap promo codes, they have a promo going on every month. Usually it'll save you $1 or $2. So after you complete your order, you're going to want to go to the dashboard, which just press account, and then a little drop down pop up and press dashboard. Scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see what I have here. In the catch-all section under redirect email, and in the forward to box, you're going to pick what email you want it to redirect to. I'm going to pick this one just for this video. And then besides that, that's all you have to do in setting up the catch-all itself. And then in a little bit, I'll give you a way to test it. Alright, so to test your catch-all, make sure everything's working good. You're going to want to open up another email besides the one that you're forwarding to. And then go ahead and compose a new email to, random characters at westnotifyxyz.com in my instance, but your catch-all is obviously going to be different. And then I just go ahead and put test in the subject, test in the body, and go ahead and send that email. And then switch over to the email that you're forwarding your catch-all to, and you should see that email pop up. Hopefully this video was helpful to give you a visual on how to make a catch-all. If you have any more questions, or if one of these steps didn't work out for you, just open a ticket in Discord and we'll get back to you.